The News4JAX I-TEAM getting answers from a legal expert on your rights as a driver when you're pulled over by police. Yesterday, we showed you this Navy veteran who recorded this cell phone video during a traffic stop. He's accusing officers with the Jacksonville Police Task Force of handcuffing him illegally and searching him in his car before letting him go when they found no crime. Tarek Miner's been following this story. Tarek, what does every driver need to know?
Well, I tell you what, we've been getting a lot of feedback from viewers about what drivers should and should not do during a traffic stop ever since a man named Braxton Smith shared cell phone video of his recent interaction with police with us. We asked lawyers, what rights do drivers have while police conduct their investigation?
It made me feel humiliated.
Navy veteran Braxton Smith says his encounter with JSO task force members scared him from start to finish after being pulled over,
put your hands out the window,
handcuffed and searched, but not charged with the crime.
They got me in the back seat, asked me numerous questions in regards to drug-related things, something I have no inkling of. And after that, they just let me go.
We wanted to know more about drivers' rights in a situation like this and what motorists should and should not do.
In these communities, people are getting pulled over sometimes daily, weekly, and I can't help but obviously empathize with that. But again, it's so important to just try and stay in control.
Defense attorney Lauren Prater with the Modern Law Group says your first interaction during a traffic stop with police shouldn't be a verbal one. But instead, when you first notice law enforcement's flashing lights behind you, respond with flashing lights of your own.
If you're in an area where you don't feel safe, immediately you see the lights and sirens, you turn on your hazard lights, slow down so that you can acknowledge to the police officers, look, I see you, I'm not fleeing, I'm not running, I'm not hiding anything, because that's an easy situation that can go from something minimal to something extremely significant in a short period of time.
Once you pulled over, you have the right to start recording your interaction with police in your car. But lawyers say it's important to be careful not to let your cell phone interfere with their police investigation.
Propping your phone up, having your phone in your lap, all things that are fine. If the officers say show you your hands, the last thing you want to do is have that phone up and be in the officers' faces or taunt the officers, because again, that's a battle you're not going to win. Respectfully, discreetly even, have your phone there, have it on record.
In Smith's case, he says JSO task force members searched his car without consent and even turned off his cell phone. Lawyers suggest drivers never consent to a search of their vehicles, but if you're asked to get out of the car, officers do have the right to pat down your clothing if they suspect you're carrying a weapon. Drivers do not have to answer questions about where they were born, whether they're a U.S. citizen, or how you entered the country. You have the right to remain silent. Lawyers say stay calm, comply with the officer's commands, even if you believe the officer's actions are wrong.
If an officer stops you because of reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation, if they've seen you commit any type of violation, whether it's misdemeanor or what have you, at that point you do have an obligation to essentially comply with his orders.
News4JAX also spoke with criminal defense attorney Randy Reep today, who says it's never a good idea to get out of the vehicle during a traffic stop unless the officer instructs you to do so. If you are arrested or detained, he suggests that you say you wish to remain silent. Ask for a lawyer immediately. You do not have to give any explanations about where you're going or offer any excuses for your actions. Mary?